अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, how are you all?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
Walaikum assalam everyone. So students, take out your maths book, maths number line book, and open page number 79. Okay students, let's have a quick recap first. Okay, so yesterday I was telling you how to find out more than 10, more than 10, less than 100, more than 100, less than. Okay, so let's have quick recap. So everyone listen carefully. First I'm telling you number more than 10. Okay, number 10 more than. So student, we need this to find out 10 more than, less than, to make patterns. Okay, earlier also in patterns also I have told you we can make patterns by using numbers, by changing the digits. Okay, we can change we can make the number pattern by changing the ones place digit only, or by changing the tens place digits, or we can also make number patterns by changing the hundreds place digit also. Okay, so let's see how to find out number 10 more than. Okay, so let's take an example. 453. So what is 10 more than 453? So just see this number. uh, we have to find 10 more than. Okay, so I told you to find out 10 more than we need to add. Okay, we add 10 when we need to find out more than. Okay, so we can here we have to add 10, or we can say 110. We have to add 110 here. Okay, so this is tens place, the, ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, so how many tens we have to add in this? 110. Okay, this is tens, we can write it 110, means we have to add 110 in this. So 110 where we will add? In ones place, tens place, or hundreds place? Can you tell me, students?
Sir, in tenth place.
Yes, very good.
Sir, in tenth.
Yes, very good. So 10 ones is equals to 110, so that's why we'll add 110 in the tens place. Okay, so if you add 1 in the tens place, what you will get? It is 5, so it will become 6. Okay, and the 100 place digit will remain same, 4, and this will become 6, and the ones place will remain same. Okay, only the tens place digit will change. We just have to add 1 in the tens place. Okay, to find out 10 more than. So 10 more than 453 is 463. Let's take another example. Here we have 5, 6, 2. So we have a number 562, and we need to find out the number which is 10 more than this number. Okay, so just add 1 in the tens place digit. Okay, The ones placed hundred place digit will be same. Okay, and the this is ones, tens, hundreds. So hundreds and ones place digit will be same. Okay, only what will change, this one, tens place digit. We just have to add 1 in this number. So 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Okay, so only the tens place digit will change when we need to find out 10 more than. So tell me student, what is 10 more than 546? Yes, tell me quickly, everyone.
556. 556.
Yes, 500 556. So what will change, only the tens place digit. Okay, look, the 100 place digit is same, 55, and the ones place digit is also same, only the tens place digit will change. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So that's why 10 more than 546 is 556. Like this number 100 more than. So can you tell me student, what we can write 100? How many hundreds are there?
99.
How many hundreds are there? 100 only. Okay, this is 100, means we have to add 1 in the hundreds place digit. Okay, so let's take a number. Okay, so what is 100 more than this? Ones, tens, hundreds. So when we were finding 10 more than, so we are adding 1 in the tens place digit, but here we have to find out the number which is 100 more than. So in hundreds place we will add 1. Okay, how many hundred we have to add? 100 in the hundreds place. So 400 is already there, so 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so it will become 500, and these two digits will remain same. Okay, the tens place digit and the ones place digit will be same. So 100 more than 456 is 556.
Yes.
Okay, now let's take another number. So only the 100 place digit will change. We will add 1 in the 100 place digit. So here we have 3 at the 100th place, so we'll add 1 in this. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, and these two digit will write as it is. Tell me students, this one, what is 100 more than 462?
562.
Yes, very good. So 100 more than 462 is 562. Why? Because we are adding 1 in the hundreds place only. Okay, this is ones, tens, and hundreds. How many hundreds we have to add? Only 100. Okay, so 1 we will add in this. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, and this tens place digit will be same and ones place digit will be same. Okay, so 100 more than 462 is 562. Understood everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Ayyo.
Yes, Hafsha Fatima, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. To find out 10 more than, so what we add in the tens place?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Yes, that please.
Speak again.
In the tenth place, we should biggest the tenth place.
Your voice is not coming properly. Yes. Aisha Shamim. Aisha Shamim, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. What we add when we find out the number 10, which is 10 more than? To find a number 10 more than, what we need to do?
Which number?
Just tell me what you will do to find out 10 more than. Yes. Yes, Kutsi, unmute your mic. Kutsia. Mohammad Ubaid, unmute your mic.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Yes, walaikum salam beta. What I told that what we add to find out 10 more than. Amina Ashraf, can you tell me? Yes, tell. What we add when we find out 10 more than a number?
550.
Student, I told you that to find out 10 more than, we just add 1 in the tens place. Okay? We add 1 in the tens place to find out 10 more than. Okay? And if we need to find out 100 more than, then we add 1 in the hundreds place. Okay? If you are finding for 10 more than, so you will add 1 in the tens place, and if you are finding 100 more than, so you will add 1 in the hundreds place. Okay? Yes, Sayyid Humaydullah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, to find out 100 more than, what you will do?
100 more than 440, 462, 562.
You will just add 1 in the hundreds place. Okay?
Okay, sir. What did you teach today?
So see here student, I am explaining it again. Number 100 more than, so what I told, to find out 100 more than, we just add 1 in the hundreds place. Okay? So first example we have taken here 456. So what we will do, we'll just add 1 in the hundreds place. Okay, so at hundreds place 4 is there, so 4 plus 1 is 5, and the remaining two digits means tens place digit and ones place digit will be same. 56 is there, so we will write 56 as it is. Okay, now in second example 327. So again we'll add 1 in the hundreds place. So at hundreds place we have 3, so add 1 in 3, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, and this 2 and 7 will write as it is. In third example we have 462. So add 1 in the hundreds place digit. 100 place digit is 4 here. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, and these two digits 62 will be written like this, 62. Okay, understood everyone or not?
Yes, sir, I have understood. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'm telling you number 10 less than. Number 10 less than. So student, tell me, to find out 10 less than, what we do? Subtract or add? Yes.
Subtract.
Yes. Yes, to find out 10 less than. When less than is there, you have to subtract. What you have to subtract? You have to subtract 1. Okay, from the tens place. Okay, so let's take a number. 346 is there. Okay, so student, what we have to find out? A number which is 10 less than. So we'll subtract 10 from tens place. So we can write it 110. This is 10 ones now, so we can write 110. Means we have to subtract 110 from the tens place. So tens place is 4. Okay, tens place is 4. So subtract 1 from 4, what you will get? 3. Okay, so at tens place we'll write 3, and this 100 place and the ones place we will write as it is. Okay, so let's take another example. So here we have 4 at the 100 place. We'll write 4 at the 100 place as it is. Okay, and ones place will be as it is. Okay, 2. What will change? The tens place digit will change only. Okay, what we have to do? We have to subtract 1. We have to minus 1 from 3. Okay, so 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. We'll write 2 at the tens place. So this is the change only. Okay, now tell me, we have a number 262. So tell me, what is 10 less than 268? Yes, student.
258. 258.
Yes, very good.
258.
Very good. So what I told students, we are finding 10 less than. So we'll change the tens place digit only. The 100 place digit and the ones place digit will be same. So 100 place digit is 2 and ones place digit is 8. Only what we have to do, we have to subtract 1 from this. Okay, 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 258. This will change only. Like this we can find out number 100 less than. So to find out 100 less than, we subtract 1 from the 100 place digit. Okay, So let's take a number. So we are finding 100 less than. So what we'll do? We'll subtract 1 from the 100 place. So 100 place digit is 5. So student 5 will subtract 1 from it. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. So 4, and now these two digits we will write as it is 6 2. Okay. So 100 less than 562 is 462. Now let's take another example. So you tell me this 429, 100 less than 429 is
329.
yes, very good, 329. Just subtract 1 from the 100 place digit. So 100 place digit is 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, and the 2 we will write as it is, and 9. So 429 will be means 100 less than 429 is 329. Okay. Arif Siddiqui, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes beta.
Very fun.
Walaikum Assalam.
Yes, sir.
Tell me 100 less than 465. 100 less than 465.
365.
Okay.
Sir, 300.
Arham Aftab. Yes, Arham Aftab. Unmute your mic. Fatima Suleiman. Yes, Fatima Suleiman.
Yes, sir.
Yes beta. Tell me what is 100 less than 465. Yes, 100 less than 465.
365.
Okay. So student, now come on exercise 5.9. Everyone open page number 79. Exercise 5.9 is there. Okay, so write the numbers as directed. So in first column we have to write the numbers which is 10 more than. Okay, and this one is 10 less than. So a number is here first part 236. So what is 10 more than 236? Yes students, what is?
Sir, 226.
Yes, Mohammed, unmute your mic. Mohammed. He's not. Amanullah. Yes, Mohammed. Walaikum Assalam. Can you tell me first part? What is 10 more than 236? 10 more than 236. 246. Very good. So students, what I told, when we need to find out 10 more than, we just add 1 in the tens place. Okay, so tens place digit is 3 here, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, at tens place we will write 4. Okay, and the 100 place and ones place will remain same, and will become 246. Okay, only you have to change, you have to add 1 in the tens place. So 246 is there. Now student, tell me what is 10 less than 236. So to find out 10 less than, we just subtract, subtract 1 from the tens place. Okay, so 100 place digit will be same to 100, then 3 minus 1 is 2, and the ones place digit we will write as it is. So the number which is 10 less than 236 is 226. So like this you have to solve other parts. So complete it. And in third column you have to find out 100 more than. You have to write the number which is 100 more than, and in fourth column you have to write the number 100 less than. Okay, Razan Khan, page number 79. Everyone do complete question number 1.
Running out of time. Running out of time. Sir, is it your mask? Sir, is it your?
Putsi, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Tell me to find out 100 more than, what we do.
Now, sir, when we have to find 100 more than any number, we have to add 1 in that number which is on 100 place.
Yes, mashallah, very good. So we add 1 in the 100th place to find out 100 more than. Okay, and to find out 100 less
Sir,
than,
I have done this exercise. Sir, I have done this exercise. Sir, I have done question number 1.
okay, mashallah, very good. Muhammad Farhan, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you tell me what is 100 more than 236? first part is 236. So tell me 100 more than 236.
246.
Beta 100 more than, I am asking 100 more than, not 10 more than.
336.
Yes, so if we find 100 more than, we add in the 100 place digit only. Okay,
136.
okay. SM is Yan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me B part. Part B, 645 is there. So what is 10 more than 645?
Ma'am, sir, 655.
Yes, tell again.
655.
655. So okay, very good,
Sir, my name is Ammar Ahmed.
very good.
Sir, my name is Ammar Ahmed.
Okay, SM is Yan. I asked you. SM is Yan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, have you can you tell me this, what is 10 less than 645? Part B, 645 is there. You have to tell 10 less than.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Beta 10 less than 645, tell me quickly. Part B, 635. Yes, so to find out less than, we subtract 1 from the tens place. Very good. Osama Wame Khan,
Yes, sir.
100 more than 236. First part.
Sir, 336.
And 100 less than 236.
136.
Okay, very good. So student, if you have any query, you can ask. Anyone is having query?
No, sir.
Okay, my voice is coming clearly.
Sir, your voice is coming already clearly. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Network issue.
Yes, maybe network issue there. So all of you done this question number 1?
Sir, then this exercise. Sir, I have done this exercise.
Okay, so now come on page number 80. Everyone come on page number 80. I think. Okay student, tomorrow inshallah we will do this, because time is not there, time has finished. So everyone share your work on WhatsApp. Okay, now Zoom class.